The Eastpak Tranverz large rolling holdall from Aspen of Hereford. This is the largest of the four in the range. On the front we have a zip pocket the full height of the bag. On each side we have a pair of cinch straps to keep your contents secure. On the top of the bag we find a TSA padlock and a padded grab handle, an extending trolley handle with two heights. On the side we find another padded grab handle. On the back we have two generous step guards, two inline skate wheels and D feet on the bottom to allow the case to stand up. It measures 79 centimetres tall, 40 centimetres wide and 33 centimetres deep. Twin zips lead to the main compartment where we'll find ample space for a long trip. We find a small flat pocket here and two zip compartments, one in the lid and one in the main part of the bag. In the lid section, we find a generously deep area, which is just easy to pack. On the other side, we have a slightly deeper area and luggage compression straps as well. It only weighs 3.7 kilos and has 121 litres of space available.